The next very important thing in R is R packages. As I mentioned that our functionality is divided by packages, it is very important at the early stages that we understand packages. Package basically is the collection of functions and data sets. Now we are going to study functions in details in future lectures, and data sets might be clear to the participants who are dealing with the data analysis. Now these packages are developed by our community across the world. Most of the students ask me the question that how we are going to know what packages are available and how would we know the names of those packages. Now this is a valid question. Luckily, the R Crane projects answer this kind of questions. You would know the name of all those packages in a moment. This is the website of R Crane project. And now when you go to this package, you click the packages, and under these packages, if you click table of available packages, you get the list of those packages that are presently available. This is the list of packages. Now the next question is that we need to know the functions of those packages. If the packages are grouped together according to the field, suppose if somebody is interested in time series and somebody is interested in econometrics, somebody is interested in visualization, is there any grouping of those packages? Yes. The Crane projects also answer this kind of questions. You will go to the Crane task view, and here you can see different fields and the grouping of the packages on the basis of those fields. You just click the econometrics, and here you find all the details of the packages under the field of econometrics. Now let us go to R and practically learn how to install packages. When you install R base directory for the first time, or the R software for the first time, it comes up with a lot of packages. And with the help of those packages, you can perform basic statistical analysis. If you want to do some sophisticated analysis like time series analysis or some sophisticated graphs, you may need some other packages, and those packages will be installed. Now, if you want to know how many packages are installed presently at your system, there is this function called installed with ed. Remember, it is with ed. Now, RStudio suggests it for you, so you will just click it, and in parentheses, you will write nothing. Now, you will run it, or you will press Control Enter on Windows, and it is going to show you all the packages that are installed at your system, the R software. If you want to install some new package, for that you will use another function called install. Here, remember that there is no ed with it. Now you will press this, and in the inverted commas, you will write the name of that package. Now suppose dplyr is one package. If I just want to install it, this package is already installed, so I don't need to run it again, but you will just go and you will run this function, and you will just click over here, and then with the help of Control Enter, by pressing Control Enter, the installation process will start. And after taking some time, when the installation is completed, your package will be installed at your system. Now, every time you open the RStudio, the package will not be loaded. The package will remain installed, but it will not be loaded. If suppose if I'm trying to write some function that is related to this package, and this package is not loaded, but it is just installed, the function will not work. So you every time need to load the package, and there is this function called library, or you can come over here, and here there are a lot of packages. So if I just search for the name of some package and I just want to load that package, suppose this is the package I just want to load. Now I will just press it, and you see that there is this function called library appearing over here, and that package is loaded. Now I can copy this kind of function. I can write it over here as well, library and then the name of that package without any inverted commas. I will run it and that package will be loaded. That package will be loaded. Like suppose we have installed deployer, so it is already loaded. If I just press it, you can see that this is the function that is used for loading the package. Remember, if your package is not loaded, the function in that package will not work. So every time you open the RStudio, you will have to load the package before running the functions. Now, the question is that how we are going to know the name of those packages. We have discussed that earlier in the class. The green project have the name of those packages, and with the passage of time, we will also learn some important and famous packages in this course as well. With that, I'm going to end this lecture and see you soon in the next lecture.